Are you feeling broken? Do you feel like life has knocked you down, leaving you with nothing but pieces of yourself scattered across the floor? Let me tell you something today. God has a plan for you. Your brokenness is not the end. It is the beginning of something greater. Keep watching, because your breakthrough is closer than you think. No one escapes the pain of life. At times, we all face seasons of heartbreak, disappointment, and loss. But here's the truth you need to hear. Your brokenness is not an accident. It's a part of God's divine plan. The mess you see right now is the masterpiece He's crafting in your life. Today, I want to show you how God uses your brokenness to build something far greater than you can imagine. Your brokenness is not a sign of failure or inadequacy. It is an essential component of God's master plan for your life. Too often when we encounter struggles, we look at them as obstacles, believing that they diminish us in some way. But in reality, these moments of hardship are the very tools that God uses to refine us, to shape us into the people He created us to be. When life brings you to your knees, it is not an indication that you are unworthy or unloved. It is a clear invitation for God's work to be evident in your life. He does not make mistakes, and He does not waste pain. Every broken piece is part of His divine blueprint, orchestrated with purpose, even when we cannot see the full picture. Think of it like a potter working with clay. The clay is soft, malleable, and impressionable, but in order to form it into something beautiful, the potter must apply pressure. The process involves shaping, molding, sometimes even breaking the clay down to rebuild it into something more refined. Similarly, in our lives, the trials and tribulations we face are the pressures that God uses to mold us into His desired shape. Without these moments, we would not experience the fullness of His transformative power. God uses your brokenness as a tool for growth. While we may wish for life to always go smoothly, it is in the rough patches that we find our strength. Every difficulty you face is designed to bring you closer to the person God intended you to be. Your weaknesses and failures provide an opportunity for God's power to shine through. When you feel most broken, that is when He is most at work in you. The Apostle Paul writes in 2 Corinthians 12:9, "But he said to me, my grace is sufficient for you, for my power is made perfect in weakness." This is a powerful reminder that when we are at our lowest, God is doing His most profound work. In your weakest moments, God's strength is made evident. The pain you experience does not diminish His plan for your life, it enhances it. It is during your brokenness that you truly realize that God is in control. What seems like the end of the road is often the beginning of a new journey, one where you are being built, not destroyed. Each piece that seems to break off is a piece that He will redeem and restore, turning your mess into a masterpiece. God is not a God who leaves us in our brokenness. He does not allow us to go through trials without purpose. The trials you face are not random. They are a part of the blueprint that He has for you. You may not see it now, but in the midst of your pain, God is weaving together a story of strength, resilience, and purpose. As you allow Him to work through your brokenness, you will emerge stronger, wiser, and more equipped to fulfill your destiny. So when you face hardship, when you feel broken and lost, remember this: your brokenness is not a setback. It is a setup for God's greatness to be revealed. Trust in the process, trust in the plan, and know that in the end, all things will work together for your good. You are not broken beyond repair. God is using your brokenness to make you whole again, and He is preparing you for something far greater than you can imagine. Pain can often feel like an unrelenting force, a heavy weight that consumes our thoughts and distracts us from seeing the bigger picture. It's easy to become lost in the moment, overwhelmed by the emotions and convinced that the storm we're facing will never end. We start to question, why is this happening to me? Where is God in the midst of my pain? It's crucial to understand that God's plan for your life is far greater than the pain you're experiencing right now. The trials and challenges you're facing are not meant to break you. They are meant to build you. They are the very tools that God is using to shape your future and prepare you for what He has in store. When you are in the midst of pain, it's easy to forget that there is a greater purpose at work. We tend to focus on the momentary struggle, but God is working on an eternal scale. His purpose for your life is not confined to this present time. He sees the end from the beginning, and He understands the fullness of the plan He has laid out for you. What you're going through now, no matter how difficult it seems, is part of a process that is shaping your character, building your resilience, and preparing you for the destiny He has designed for you. God is not defined by time the way we are. He exists outside of time, and He knows what lies ahead, even when we can't see it. The pain you're feeling is real, but it's temporary. What's eternal is God's purpose, which cannot be thwarted. Even though it may feel like you're drowning in the weight of your circumstances, God has a higher purpose that will carry you through. There is glory on the other side of this. Your pain is the soil in which your purpose will grow. You may not understand the process right now, but trust that God is using every moment of your struggle to prepare you for something greater than you can imagine. Every trial you face is an opportunity for God to reveal His strength in your life. When you are weak, He is strong. When you are at your lowest, He is at His highest. The challenges you encounter are the proving grounds for God's power. It is through our weakness that His strength is most clearly seen. If everything was easy, you would not have the depth of character or the faith that God is cultivating in you. The mountains in your life are not there to crush you, they are there to elevate you. God is using every challenge to refine you, to build you into someone who can carry the weight of His glory. As difficult as it may seem, understand that the pain you are enduring right now is a necessary part of your journey. God is using it as a stepping stone to propel you into a destiny that is beyond your current comprehension. You are being pushed forward, not held back. Though the road is tough, it is leading you to a place of fulfillment, to a future where your life will reflect the greatness of God's purpose for you. There will be moments when the pain feels unbearable, but in those moments, remember that God is with you and His plan is bigger than your pain. Keep moving forward because the breakthrough you're waiting for is closer than you realize. The glory ahead is far greater than the pain you're experiencing today. God does not abandon us in our brokenness. Instead, He meets us in our weakest and most vulnerable moments. It's in those moments when we feel like everything is falling apart, when life seems to be too much to bear, that God steps in to work miracles. We often look at our brokenness as a limitation or a failure, but God sees it as an opportunity, a chance to show His unparalleled power and love. Your pain, your hurt, your wounds are not there to define you. They are simply a canvas for God's masterpiece of healing. We live in a world that often tells us that we need to be strong at all times, that we need to hide our weaknesses and present a facade of perfection. But God doesn't ask us to hide our brokenness. He asks us to bring it to Him. It is in our brokenness that God shows us His strength, His compassion, and His ability to restore what has been lost. He is the healer of the brokenhearted. He is the restorer of the soul. When we come to Him in our brokenness, He does not leave us as we are. He transforms us, molding us into something stronger, more resilient, and more capable of fulfilling the purpose He has for our lives. You may feel like your life is fractured beyond repair, your heart may feel shattered, and your dreams may seem impossible to reach. But I urge you to hold on to this truth. God specializes in broken things. He doesn't need perfection to work in your life. He simply needs your trust. He can take the pieces of your brokenness and make something beautiful out of them. You are not defined by your wounds. You are defined by the strength God is building in you through those very wounds. God has a way of taking what the world sees as damaged goods and turning them into a testimony of His grace. Remember that the very things you think disqualify you from greatness are the same things that God will use to elevate you. He doesn't just heal, He restores. He doesn't just fix, He transforms. It's not enough for God to simply patch you up. He wants to make you whole, and wholeness doesn't come from simply being fixed. It comes from a deep spiritual renewal that goes beyond the surface. Your broken heart is not a sign that you are weak. It is proof that you are human, and in that humanity, God finds His opportunity to work His wonders. Every tear you've shed, every sleepless night, every moment of sorrow and despair is part of your journey. God sees each one, and He is using each moment to prepare you for something far greater than what you can currently understand. Trust in His timing and His process, even when you can't see the end result. You will rise from this. You will not stay broken. Just as a cracked vase, when repaired properly, becomes more beautiful and valuable than before, so too will you emerge from your brokenness stronger and more capable. Your scars will become the evidence of your growth, not your failure. They will be the testimony of how far you've come and how deeply God has worked in your life. Remember, the best part of your story is not the brokenness, it is the restoration that follows. God heals what He has broken, and He will make you whole again. Healing is a journey, not a destination. It's easy to want immediate relief when you're in pain, but true healing requires time, patience, and understanding. Just as a broken bone needs time to heal properly before it can function at its full capacity, your spirit and heart need that same kind of care and attention. The process may feel slow, sometimes even unbearable, but remember, healing is happening even when you can't see it. One of the most difficult parts of the healing process is accepting that it doesn't happen quickly. In a world where instant gratification is the norm, waiting for healing can feel like an unbearable challenge. But this is exactly where we must trust God. In those moments when we feel like we're stuck or our progress is slow, He is at work beneath the surface. God is never idle. Even in the waiting, He is shaping you, preparing you, and making you whole again. Your restoration is happening in the quiet moments, in the depths of your heart where you are learning to lean into His grace and sovereignty. When we're broken, we often think we need to get over it quickly. But healing doesn't work like that. It's not about forgetting the hurt or pretending it didn't happen. It's about allowing God to restore what's been lost, to rebuild what's been broken, and to transform your pain into purpose. God is never in a rush. He takes His time to create masterpieces. The process of healing can sometimes be uncomfortable, even painful, but it's through the discomfort that growth occurs. Healing, like growth, is gradual. It may not always feel like you're moving forward, but trust that each day, each prayer, and each act of surrender is a step closer to wholeness. You may be tempted to rush the healing process because it feels too painful to endure, but doing so would rob you of the lessons God wants to teach you during this time. It's easy to focus on what's missing or what's broken, but God calls us to look at the bigger picture, the restoration and transformation that He's orchestrating in your life. You may not see it yet, but this time of healing is shaping you for something far greater than you can imagine. God is building your strength, your character, and your faith, and the foundation He's laying in you right now will hold up the future He's preparing for you. During this journey, it's important to remember that healing doesn't make you weak. It's not a sign of failure or inadequacy. It's a testament to your resilience. When you're going through the process of healing, you're not giving up. You're giving yourself permission to heal in God's time. You're showing faith in His ability to restore, renew, and redeem. You're embracing the process, understanding that what you're experiencing is not punishment, but preparation. You are being molded, refined, and strengthened for what's ahead. So when the process feels slow or frustrating, remember that God is working behind the scenes. He's never been closer to you than in these moments of pain. He knows your heart, He knows your hurt, and He promises to heal it. Allow Him to take you through the process step by step, because every part of it is necessary. You will emerge stronger, wiser, and more equipped to fulfill the purpose He has set before you. Trust that God is not only healing your brokenness, but is also preparing you for greater things ahead. Don't rush the process, embrace it, for it will lead you to a place of profound purpose, strength, and fulfillment. In life, we often see brokenness as something to avoid, something that should be fixed or hidden. We fear it because it feels like an obstacle, like it's pulling us away from the success and joy we believe we're meant to have. But what if the brokenness you're experiencing right now is not an obstacle, but an essential part of the process leading you to greatness? What if your pain is a necessary part of your preparation for the life God has destined for you? The reality is that God uses brokenness as a powerful tool in His divine plan. It is in these broken moments, when you feel weakest and most vulnerable, that God is working behind the scenes to shape you into the person you need to become. These experiences of brokenness are not signs of failure, they are signs of transformation. You see, God doesn't waste pain. Every ounce of suffering you experience, every challenge you face, is being used to build in you something far greater than you can currently comprehend. The trials you face today are preparing you for the heights you'll reach tomorrow. Just as an athlete trains through exhaustion to become stronger, you are being tested and refined through the fires of your struggles. Pain and hardship are not easy to endure, but they are essential in developing the character and strength you need to fulfill your purpose. If you want to be someone who can handle the weight of God's blessings and responsibilities, you must first endure the refining process. It is the brokenness that makes you capable of carrying the glory. Think about the greatest leaders, visionaries, and men and women of faith in history. Most of them endured incredible challenges, losses, and setbacks before stepping into their purpose. They were broken, but it was that very brokenness that prepared them for greatness. Moses was broken by the weight of his people's suffering, but it was through that experience that he learned to trust God and led a nation to freedom. Joseph was broken by betrayal and imprisonment, but it was through his trials that he was elevated to a place of great influence and authority. In every story of greatness, you'll find brokenness leading to breakthroughs. The beauty of brokenness is that it opens the door for God to work in ways that would otherwise be impossible. When you are broken, you become more reliant on Him. Your pride, self-reliance, and worldly aspirations are stripped away, and you are left with nothing but a deep trust in God's ability to restore and fulfill His promises. It's in these moments that you learn to lean into God's strength, to rely on His wisdom, and to trust His timing. This is the wisdom and resilience that will carry you through not only the struggles you face, but the success and challenges that lie ahead. Your brokenness today is the key to your greatness tomorrow. Through it, you will gain the strength to withstand future storms, the wisdom to navigate difficult decisions, and the resilience to rise every time you fall. Don't be afraid of the process, because it is this very process that will make you into the person capable of achieving the greatness God has prepared for you. You are being shaped, refined, and built for a purpose beyond what you can see right now. Keep going, because your breakthrough is closer than you think. God is using this season of brokenness to prepare you for the greatness that awaits you. Trust the process. You are destined for something greater. God does not waste pain. Your brokenness is part of a greater purpose, and He is using it to shape you for something far greater than you can imagine. Don't give up. Don't let your struggles define you. Trust that God is making something beautiful out of your brokenness. Your future is brighter than you know, and your breakthrough is on the horizon. Keep pressing forward, because God has a plan for you.